Tips about tuning in emotionally. There's a lot that you can do. You can go really quickly through your elements. So you can ask yourself, what element am I embodying right now? Am I mostly water? Am I mostly earth? Am I mostly air? Am I mostly fire? And do I feel balanced in them? If you think, okay, I'm very anxious, you're mostly air in your thoughts. I'm very depressed, it means you're mostly earth. You can't get moving, you're very heavy, you're really bogged down emotionally. If you're very water, it means your emotional body is running the show. You can't stand still with emotions, you can't get clear. If you're fire, it means you're going, burnout, doing, too much fire. And then it's like, if it's too much of one element, you try to be all the other ones. You can sit still and breathe and try to feel where inside of your body do you have sort of, it's almost like a ball of, it's almost like a little cloud, a little stormy cloud, little electromagnetic cloud. So tuning in emotionally, how I do it, I sit and I breathe and I scan my body. I go, okay, head is clear. Throat, okay, throat is not clear. Then I go, and I sort of try to get the energy moving in the throat. If it's solar plexus, then I sort of try to get the energy moving here. Then, if it's hips, I do hips. Shaking is a good way to get the energy moving. So shake your entire body, and really be honest with yourself. What am I feeling now? And be okay with it. It's all mechanics. So not taking things personally and just thinking of emotions as electromagnetic energy that sometimes gets buzzing somewhere in the body a little bit stronger than usual. And you just need to get it out, sort of. You just need to just dance it out, shake it out. Is that what you're asking, Elizabeth? How to get the emotional tension out? Or if you want to be more specific with a certain emotion, I can give you a more specific answer.